Today, February 11th, after miles of silence, after days of devotion, the monks reach Washington, D.C. Step by step, breathe by breath. They carried no anger, only peace. They walked through cold winds, through long highways, through uncertainty, but never without faith. This was not just a journey across land. It was a journey across human hearts. We watched them. We prayed for them from different corners of the world. We walked spiritually beside them. Every prayer became protection. Every message became light. Every pure intention became a shield. And in the middle of their sacred journey, we bowed our heads and chanted together. Namo tassa bhagavato arahato sama sambuddhassa. Namo tassa bhagavato arahato sama sambuddhassa. Namo tassa bhagavato arahato sama sambuddhassa. Homage to the Blessed One, the Worthy One, the fully enlightened One. This mantra purified our fear. This mantra strengthened their steps. This mantra united us beyond borders. And today, they arrived. But listen carefully. The destination was never only Washington, D.C. The destination was awakening. The destination was reminding humanity that peace begins within. Their footsteps were gentle, but their message was powerful. Be kind. Be compassionate. Choose peace again. And again, and again. Let us not end this here. Let this walk continue inside us. In our homes, in our words, in our daily actions. Today we bow in gratitude. Thank you to the monks. Thank you to every soul who prayed. Thank you to the universe for protection and grace. Now together, with humble hearts, we take refuge.
Buddham Saranam Gacchāmi. Buddham Saranam Gacchāmi. Buddham Saranam Gacchāmi.
Little appreciation to my viewers. Watch till the end. Namo Buddhaya. tassa bhagavato arahato samma sambuddhassa namo tassa bhagavato arahato samma sambuddhassa namo tassa bhagavato namo tassa bhagavato arahato samma sambuddhassa bhagavato arahato samma sambuddhassa namo tassa bhagavato arahato samma sambuddhassa namo 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 bhagavato arahato samma sambuddhassa namo tassa bhagavato arahato samma sambuddhassa namo tassa bhagavato arahato samma sambuddhassa the great teacher, we honor the boundless wisdom within. I bow to the light that guides us home. Sabbe satta bhavanantu sukhitata sabbe satta virantu sabbe satta virapajantu may the living heart find its rest, may those who wander find their way. May we be free from the shadows of anger. May we walk in the light of love. Anika vata sankhara appadaya dhammino appajitva nirujanti the tide comes in, the tide goes out, the stars are born, the stars fade away. Do not cling to the passing wind, let go of the shore and find the deep peace is found in the heart of change. Buddham Saranam Gacchāmi, Dhammam Saranam Gacchāmi, Sangham Saranam Gacchāmi, Buddham Saranam Gacchāmi, Saranam Gacchāmi. Saranam Gacchāmi Buddham Saranam Gacchāmi Buddham Saranam Gacchāmi Dhammam Saranam Gacchāmi Sangham Saranam Gacchāmi Buddham Saranam Gacchāmi Dhammam Saranam Gacchāmi Dhammam Saranam Gacchāmi Sangham Saranam Gacchāmi Buddham Saranam Gacchāmi Compassion in the heart, wisdom in each step. Namo tassa bhagavato, Namo tassa bhagavato arahato samma sambuddhassa. Honoring, awakening, remembering our highest nature. Sabbe satta bhavantu sukhitata. May all beings be happy. May all beings be free. Shanti, 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 peace within us, peace between us, peace in the world. Gate, Gate, Paragate, Parasamgate, Bodhiswaha, going beyond fear, waking to what is. Step by step, breath by breath, we walk as peace, we walk as one. Buddham Saranam Gacchāmi, Dhammam Saranam Gacchāmi, Sangham Saranam Gacchāmi.
Please convey thank you message to monks. I will send you car stickers with Monk Walk for Peace.